So today you will be learning how to use Adobe Pages, which is just an absolutely phenomenal presentation tool. So I can't wait to show it to you. First, you will need to create a login. For you, you should definitely create your login using your Google account. It's such a blessing to have these accounts. We can do so many different things with them. I have to choose which account I want, so I'm going to go with my hclc.info one. But I use Adobe all the time. There's video, there's posts, and there's pages. I like all of the factors of it, but the pages are by far my favorite. The first thing you need to do is click the plus sign. And you're going to say web page because that's what you're creating is a web page. And we're learning this skill because you're going to be creating a web page within groups about a biome that you are assigned to later. But today you just get to play, explore, and create a page about something that inspires you. So if you love ballet, create a page about ballet. If you love archery, create a page about archery. I don't care. But I want to show you how to create all the things you need. So of course you need first a title. Mix page. Okay, and then a subtitle, including a view of the life of Mick. Okay. And then right here, if you click this plus sign, what's really cool is it tells you, hey, you need a cover photo. So it just pops up for you that you need a photo. And notice all the places you can find a photo. Free Photos, Creative Cloud, Adobe Stock, Google Photos, Google Drive, okay? You can also upload a photo straight from your computer. So if you take a screenshot of any of the photos you want, you can find those here. So let's just see what I have on my computer. I don't know that I have any photos on my computer right now, so it might not be the best place to go, but let's go ahead and go here. Teach math with 3D design. And so it'll pop up. If you like the look of it, ta-da, it's there and you are done. And that's it. So here's the really cool part. You start scrolling to write your story. And then it pops up. These are all your options. You can have photo, text, buttons, videos, photo grid, glide show, and split layout. You can choose how you want to set up your layout of your page. You are required to have a photo, a text, a video, and a glide show. And I'm going to start with glide show because there's so much you can do from there. So we'll come to glide show. And again, we're going to upload a photo. This time I'm actually going to go to my photos. I actually clicked on Evie's photos and videos, so I can choose lots of them by pressing Command and then clicking on several at the same time usually. Control, I think. No. So I'll choose the photo I want and I say choose. And then the thing is, for a glide show, you can add as even more photos. So you want to upload a new photo, and so then you come here and you go about it again. And so you find another photo that you want and you choose it. Okay, and so you add as many photos as you want to your glide show. I usually would recommend at least 3. Okay, and then you can go from there. These are some great photos, pretty epic. All right, so once I have all the photos for my glide show, I just say save. Now, this is what a glide show is. As you're gliding through your page, all these photos are now your background photos, which is pretty fun and looks pretty cool. And what's really great about it is we can come here and still add text, photo, videos, or buttons right on top of this glide show. So now I can come in and say, look at this hairy leg. Okay. Not that that's what you should do, because I'd love for you to actually teach me about something. But there we go. Now, what's also really great about this is you can change, of course, your font and the way that you want it to look. So by all means, if you wanna update these, edit these things, you can. Also, please notice you can change your focal point. So if I wanted my focal point to be that hairy leg, there we go. Now that's been my focal point. Okay, so as I work through my glide show, I can see my text and all of that. I can go with this, and I can still add a photo on top of that or a video on top of that. Again, your photos and videos can come from your own computer or they can come from the internet. You can go straight from YouTube with a video, and that's fine. So you can add an embedded video from YouTube. As soon as you have it, you just say save, and ta-da, it's in there. So using Adobe Spark is pretty easy. When you think you're happy with the way it looks and you know you've added all the features you are required to add today, again, photo, text, video, and glide show, then you are welcome to prepare to turn it in. However, if you finish with extra time, I encourage you to mess around with the split layout. Okay, where you have your image and your text over here. Or if you want to switch that around, look at that, fancy. So you can, I want you to play around with those things. I want you to see that you can come in between those and add more to it. When you think that you're done, I want you to look at preview and make sure you like the way it looks when it's in its professional version. But I want to tell you something right now. Even if you were finalized, which I'm clearly not, you cannot click this URL up here and turn that in. If you do, I won't be able to see your page. So you have to exit out of this preview and you have to say share. Okay, so even though mine's not really professional or finished in any way, shape, or form, we're going to pretend to save you time. Once I say share, I also must pick a category. So I'm choosing education, even though this isn't really educational. That's all you're required to do. As soon as you do that, I'm going to unclick get noticed only because this is an unfinished page and that's embarrassing. So I'll say create link. It will think and it will create the link. This link right here, if you copy that and post it to our Google Classroom page and turn it into the assignment, yes, you must turn this link into the assignment, then you are finished and accomplished for the day. And I am thrilled to learn more about you through your Adobe Spark. Have fun, be creative, and I will look at your stuff later.